Yay, you did it. You finally tackled that closet clean out you've been putting off for months, maybe even years. The piles are gone, you've made your donations, the hangers have space to breathe. But when you get dressed, you still feel maybe just as stuck or frustrated or uninspired as you did before. So, why is that? Well, I'll tell you right now, it's not because you didn't clean out enough. It might be because you haven't started dressing for the woman you're becoming. Does that sound familiar? In this video today, we're going to get into how to move past that stuck feeling and actually start building a wardrobe that reflects your future and not your past. So, are you ready? So am I. Let's dive in. Hello, my friend. If we've not met before, my name is Tina Schwahn, and I'm a personal stylist and online style educator for women. I empower brilliant women to show up, speak up, and shine through the transformational power of personal style. And today, we're getting into why decluttering your closet might feel good for a minute, but it is just the first step toward you defining your signature style. So there is a line from Brené Brown's book, The Gifts of Imperfection, that I come back to often, and I love this. She says, owning our story and loving ourselves through that process is the bravest thing that we'll ever do. And I believe that includes the story your wardrobe is telling. I always say that every person has a story, so be kind. That comes from my days as a music teacher. And it's true. The more clients I work with, the more stories I hear of women who have never been able to choose their own style until now. Maybe they've had an overbearing mother growing up, or a school uniform, or maybe they had a controlling ex-spouse, or a work dress code. Any number of things could be the answer to that. And this may be the first time you've ever had the freedom to decide, what is my style? How exciting is that? Kind of daunting at the same time. Because what we choose to keep, to wear, to let go of, it's all part of how we claim our space. If you've done the closet clean out, that's amazing. And what you've decided to let go of, that tells a story. But the real story is in what you decided to keep. And the real story is what's in here. If you still feel stuck, it's probably because your story has just begun. You haven't given yourself permission to start dressing for her, the woman you're becoming, your high energy radiance. That's what I use when I say the word her. It means high energy radiance. So we're going to learn to dress for her. Let me tell you a little story about a personal styling client of mine. We will call her Lisa. Lisa was newly retired and had gone through some health shifts. She had lost a significant amount of weight and decided to do her own massive closet detox. But she told me that when she got dressed, it's like my closet is technically fine, but I still feel invisible. She felt like her wardrobe didn't reflect on the outside how she felt on the inside, healthy and bright and free. She had a new light that needed to shine. She had subtracted, but she had not yet reimagined. She was unsure, a bit confused, and probably significantly overwhelmed. So, together, we started identifying pieces in her wardrobe that reflected who she was becoming, a more vibrant, curious, connected version of herself. So, here are 3 steps we took to help her reimagine her new image, and you can use these steps as well. Number 1, write down 3 words to describe the vibe of the woman you're becoming. Number 2, what is one piece or maybe more in your closet that feels aligned with her? And lastly, what stories do these pieces tell? Are they classic lines or more flowy materials? Bold prints or more neutrals? Embellished or not? And most importantly, how do they make you feel? For Lisa, the most telling keep was a simple yellow dress. That dress was so her. It reflected her high energy radiance. So we decided that we needed to add in more bold color, better fit, and intentional accessories. And suddenly her wardrobe felt alive, and so did she. That is the shift I want for you. If ready to rebuild with clarity and confidence, download my free Quick Start Style Guide. It'll help you reconnect to your evolving identity and give you the tools to start dressing for your next level version of you. You'll find the link right below this video in the description. All right, let's wrap this up with a little truth bomb for you. The feeling of being stuck after a clean out is not a failure on your part. It's simply feedback. It's your inner self saying, "Thank you for clearing the space. Now let's fill it up with something that actually lights me up." It's a process like anything else, but it's a fun one. Start really paying attention to the things that you love, to the looks you gravitate toward in the media. Maybe there's a TV character or an actor, actress, or celebrity that you like their style. You might start a Pinterest board to gather ideas, and you'll begin to see the story that your preferences tell. Then have fun with adding things in with intention, one piece, one step at a time. Have fun with thrifting. Maybe try a rental service to add new things in and see if they work for you. Learn more about you and the woman you're becoming. When you start dressing for her, your high energy radiance, you'll stop second guessing. You'll stop trying to squeeze into old rules or outdated outfits. You'll show up with clarity, joy, and power and confidence every single day. So if this spoke to you, don't let it stop here. Grab that Quick Start Style Guide, or you can always book a complimentary consultation if you're ready for a more personalized type of support. I work in person and online with my styling clients. I'm here to help you curate a wardrobe that reflects the woman you're becoming, not the one you've outgrown. And of course, if you found this helpful, please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share it with a friend who needs to hear it. I thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day with me. It means the world to have you here. And remember, your style is not just about what you wear, it's about how you show up. You're not stuck, you're becoming her. And I can't wait to see where she goes from here.